I've had this boat for 3 years, and I've never found out just how much chain I've got on the anchor. So there's all the anchor chain in there, look. So let's find out how many meters we've got, just for interest's sake, really. Good to know these things anyway. So yeah, right. So okay, Linda, if you want to press the little button down, yep. There we are. Yeah. Be interesting to know how much we've got. Because let's face it, one never knows when one might need to know. Interesting stuff, guys, interesting stuff. How many meters do you think's there? Take a guess, guys, because I'm going to walk it straight across the car park and see how far we go, and then we can measure it, and that's a very useful bit of information. Alright, so here we go. That, guys, is a lot of chain. Right, there's my red marker. That's to tell me that the anchor is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foot away from the bow, because I can't see it. Now there's a yellow marker for the 10 meter. That's the 10 meter marker. Then there's another yellow marker here for the 20 meter marker. So when I see this from the bow, I know I've let down 20 meters of chain. And now I'm going to do the 30 meter and 40 meter just in case. Now I know I could have done it all in swirls, so that the chain's laid out, but it's quite, when you think how deep that is, that in water is pretty damn deep, but we don't know how deep yet, because I've got to check to see if all of the chain is pulled out. I think it might be. There's still a bit left on the floor, so we've still got a bit more. Oh, we're nearly at the end of it anyway. There we are. Got stuck under the tyre. Oh. So, wow, that's a lot of chain, isn't it? My God, you would not want to be swimming down to that. Well, I wouldn't anyway. So anyway, it's good to know. So now I'm gonna measure it now, and excuse me, and we'll go from there. I'll come back to you in a bit. Rock and roll. Okay, guys, right, here's my chain, and I've used this fluorescent paint to make the markers so I can see it from the helm. The only other thing I had to give me a marker from the helm was this little thing here. I don't know what they're called. They have got a name, but how on earth I would ever see that from the helm, I'll never know. But I'll tell you what, I'm definitely going to see that, and that's why I've done what I've done, because look, you can't see it. See? Crazy. So now you can see that I can see that marker there quite clearly, whereas that little notch thing I got no chance whatsoever. And it's just a bit of a top tip, something I learnt. There, look, there we are again, look. See, I can even see the third marker away. So if it's dusk or dawn and the light's not that great, then I'm going to see it without a doubt. And if you're just wondering what's because I didn't know what it was attached to, if you're just wondering what's at the end of the chain in the compartment, let me show you. It's actually bracketed on the wall. I'll show you. There we are. See? There we have it, guys. Good stuff. Right, guys, I've got exactly 145 feet. I've got 145 foot width of anchor chain, which is housed in the front part there, as you saw earlier. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe.